Helping each other. A person cannot do his/her all works on his/her own. Therefore, we need help of others to do some works. Community helpers. Community helpers are the people who help us in our day-to-day work. In our society, community helpers play a major role as they contribute a lot to the society. They help people around them. We should be polite and friendly to our community helpers. We must show our respect to them. Let us know more about the community helpers. Soldiers. Soldiers are those people who fight for the nation during a war to maintain the sovereignty and the national integrity. They protect the people and save the country from enemies. They also conduct rescue operations during natural disasters such as earthquake, flood and fire. They sacrifice their life to keep the people of the country safe and secure. Farmers. The role of farmers in our society is very important. They work in fields to grow food crops like fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, cereals, etc. for us. We need food to survive. The life of a farmer is very tough, as they work hard day and night in all the seasons. Firefighters. The job of a firefighter is to put out fire and rescue people out of it. We call them in emergency. The place where they work is called a fire station. They travel in a huge truck known as fire engine, which contains a big ladder, water pump and fire extinguisher. They wear heavy suit which protects them from fire. They risk their own life to save the life of people. Teachers. In a school, teachers teach us lots of things. They teach us how to read and write, sing, dance, behave with others and to respect elders. We celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day every year to show our love and respect to our teachers. Doctors and nurses. We go to a doctor when we are sick. The doctor checks, gives medicine and advises us what to eat. Doctors and nurses work in hospitals to look after us. A nurse helps the doctor to treat us. She also takes care of patients. Police. A policeman keeps us and our properties safe by maintaining law and order in our neighborhood. Each neighborhood has a police post or police station from where police persons work. Whenever we are in trouble, we can call them for help. Care and compassion for others. In our community, there are different types of people. Some are poor, while some are rich. Some are healthy while some are weak and sick. Some are young while some are old and so on. There are people who need special care and love. A community becomes healthy and happy when all the different types of people live in harmony and happily together. Some people have lots of things. These people are fortunate or lucky. Their fortune helped them do well in their course of life. This is called advantages. But all the people in our society are not so fortunate or lucky. They do not have such advantages to solve the problems. Rather, they have lots of difficulties. These people need our helps in different ways. Who are such people? Let us learn about them in detail. Poor people. There are many poor people in our society who cannot afford even the basic things like food, home, clothes, education, health, etc. that they need to live in dignity. Poor parents cannot send their children to school. The children do not have proper clothes and food. We can donate our old books and clothes to poor children. During festivals, we can donate different things to poor people. We must not laugh at them. People with special problems. In our society lives some people who have some difficulties. These people are called specially abled. Who are specially abled people? The following are some types of specially abled people. People who walk with the help of a crutch. People who move on a wheelchair. People who cannot see and hear. People who cannot speak. People whose brain and mind is not fully developed. These people find difficulties in doing their normal works. These people need more help of us. We should help these people in need, like helping a blind person cross a road and offering the seat in bus and train. We should spend time with them so that they do not feel lonely. Old people. With age, people become old. Old people are weak and sometimes suffer from old age ailments. They feel very lonely and need our help to do their daily tasks. We should talk and behave respectfully with old people. We must help them in need. We must spend some time with them, like having dinner together. We must not laugh at them. People who are different from us. Sometimes, some people of different regions, who look different or speak different languages, live in very different society. Those people are treated in different ways. They may have different skin color, different height, looks, etc. Such people should not be kept lonely. We should be friendly with different people so that they do not feel lonely in our neighborhood. Together we can make a better and happy need. Work and dignity of labor. Nobody in the modern world is self-sufficient, able to do all his/her works on his/her own. Therefore, we need to take help of others. The people who help us with our work are called laborers. We should appreciate them and their work. The dignity of a labor is the respect given to them. No work should be considered dirty or low. We must be kind and respectful towards all occupations equally. Our society needs people who do all kinds of works for a smooth functioning of our day-to-day life. People doing menial jobs should be respected because they keep our neighborhood and the environment clean. We should show equal respect to an officer as well as a sweeper. We should greet and talk politely with the community helpers. Pictures of a few community helpers are given below.